Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com, first of its kind fentanyl vaccine to prevent overdoses. Gearsup 4, a new vaccine is being developed to protect against the deadly effects of fentanyl, a potent synthetic opioid that is the leading cause of drug overdose deaths. The vaccine is designed to create antibodies that capture fentanyl in the bloodstream, preventing it from reaching the brain and blocking its effects. This would prevent overdoses without reversing the drug's effects like treatments like naloxone. The vaccine has shown positive results in studies with mice and rats, and the first human clinical trial is set to begin in early 2026. The trial will focus on safety and immune response. The vaccine could be used by those with opioid use disorder, first responders, military personnel, and even parents seeking to protect at-risk teens and young adults from fentanyl exposure. If approved, this vaccine could pave the way for other anti-drug vaccines targeting substances like cocaine and methamphetamine, potentially saving thousands of lives. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak